Sprinkle it a one. I fly away. Then I forward.
Another day.
Somebody thief my hose. Thief my hose. Thief my hose. They thief my hose. Thief my hose. They thief my hose. They thief my hose. Sprinkle. Where my hose gone? I can't water the garden. Can't wash my car. Can't wash down the backyard. Them thief my hose. Thief my hose. Thief my hose. Somebody thief my hose. Thief my hose. They thief my hose. Thief my hose. Somebody thief my hose. Me not like that. No, me not like that. We not like that. No, me not like that. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. Where my hose is gone. Somebody coming on my yard. And still me have a big dog. Oh, they manage to make the hose gone. What them do me that for? Buy me hose in a Venezuela. And then you come take it. No hose me wash down again. I thief my hose. Somebody thief my hose. I thief my hose. Somebody thief my hose. Thief my hose. You thief my hose. Why thief my hose? You thief my hose. Where you thief my hose for? Where you thief my hose for? Where you thief my hose for? You better bring back my hose down. And if it have a fire, I can't out it with water. Me don't have nothing for push. Fire attack the bush. Me need my hose back. Me need my hose. Me wash my clothes back. Me wash my clothes. Why you take my hose back? Take my hose back. Why you take my hose back? You take my. I want my hose. You take my hose. How do you take my hose? Somebody take my hose. Somebody take my hose. You take my hose. Oh, me I go water the garden. Why you take my hose for? Why you take my hose for? Boy, I want stinking too. Give me back my hose.